Hi, this is Hamid. In this video, I will show you how to create account on Canva. Canva is a website that you can create easily your YouTube channel thumbnail and other stuff. First of all, you can open your Chrome browser and then search Canva, and you can search canva.com, and one website is open. Then you can click on sign up, ठीक है? And then you can sign up with three method: Facebook, Google and email. First of all, I paste my email address, then I set my username. You can also set your username, then set your password. I set my password strongly. You can use character, special character and uh, digit. When you paste your email, then one verification code come on your email. First of all, you verify your account, then your account will verify it. First of all, you can join any team if you want. First of all, I joined my any group. Then there is multiple option. First of all, you can upload your profile picture on Canva. First of all, I upload my profile picture on Canva account. I select my picture. This I play this picture is perfect for this account. Then you can change other your name or other यहाँ पे other option, your student, your teacher. Select one thing. Then there is many options, you can change it. If you want to link your personal account Instagram, you can link with Canva account. If you increase your security level, then add other mail or security number. If you purchase pro level, then try Canva Pro and purchase your account. If you want how to create thumbnail or how to create other stuff, I will show you next video. But if you purchase pro level, then there is two option: one is yearly and second is monthly. If you want monthly, there is $6 per month. You can use two method. First is PayPal and second is credit card. You can use credit card is better. Then if you are a United States citizen, then select United States, and then you click on get to a free trial. Then you get free trial for 30 days. After 30 days, they will cut your payment uh, from your debit card. Okay. There is multiple templates on this Canva website, you can use freely. I will show you in the next video how to use all templates for YouTube, for Instagram. There is multiple option for social media. You can use all things.